I'm at the Kegel home, part of the Green Homes Tour. They decided to go with geothermal HVAC. You can see the geothermal unit here. They actually did 2 vertical wells for this home, one about 320 feet, the other 350. Geothermal works by pipes running into the ground because the ground is about a 50 degrees average temperature. So the pipes, the water in the pipes is actually heated or cooled depending on the temperature outside. This is actually a heat pump unit, and the homeowner is actually very surprised and happy with the heat pump in that the heat that's coming out of a heat pump, typically from a traditional electrical heat pump, is very cool air blowing. The heat pump coming out of the geothermal heat pump is actually very warm air, much like a gas heat. The electrical bills from this standpoint are about 25% less, much more cost effective at this point because of the 30% tax credits that they're able to utilize. So they've been very pleased with their heat pump at this point.